Hello everyone, my name is Sanket Kantari. Today I am going to talk about technical topic is Introduction to Causality Assessment in Pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is a crucial field within drug safety that focus on monitoring, evaluating and minimizing the risk associated with pharmaceutical product. One of the primary objectives of pharmacovigilance is to ensure the safety of medications once they are on the market. Causality assessment plays a vital role in this process as it involves whether a specific drug or vaccines that adverse event. Definition of content. Causality assessment refers to the systematic evaluation of the relationship between a drug exposure and adverse event. This assessment is fundamental for distributing between occurrence and drug related effect. Given the of the human health and role multifactorial nature of many adverse events, causality assessment requires a, a approach historical perspective, histology, the evaluation of safety and significantly early pharmacovigilance effort focus primarily on the reporting of adverse events, often without investigation into the causes. However, as the importance of drug safety becomes more recognized, the need for structured methodology to assess causality. The establishment of regulatory framework such as International Conference on Harmonization ICH guideline, the development of standard assessment tools like WHO UNC criteria and the has provided approach to causality assessment. Significance of causality assessment. Causality assessment is crucial for several reasons. Then first one is patient safety and public health. By determining the causality relationship between a drug and adverse event, healthcare professional can make informed decisions that enhance patient safety. Harmful drugs effect prevent future occurrence and protect public health. Then second one is regulatory obligation. Pharmaceutical companies are legally to report adverse event to regulatory authority. Causality assessment ensure compliance with these regulations, helping to maintain the integrity of the drug approval process and ongoing surveillance. Then single detection and risk management. Causality assessment in identifying potential safety signals which are indication that a drug may cause an adverse event. Early detection of these signals promote risk management action including further studies, label update or even market withdrawal if necessary. Then clinical decision marketing for healthcare provider understanding the causality of adverse event assist in marketing better clinical decision medications for individual patient improving overall treatment outcomes. Then evolving scientific knowledge as new emerge safety causality assessment allow for ongoing evaluation and adaptations of clinical guidelines and treatment protocols. This process ensures that healthcare practices remain latest scientific knowledge. Then challenges in causality assessment. Then importance causality assessment faces several challenges. Then adverse event. Adverse event can be influenced by multiple factors including patient characteristic, underlying medical condition and medications. These make establish a clear cause and effect relationship. Then Data limitations, the quality and complete of the data adverse event can vary significantly. Information about patient history, drug exposure, or event can accurate assessment.